You fucking clown.
I'm gonna start it again. Watch the oil flying everywhere, mate.
I'd watch your camera.
I should have fucking recorded with me telling you.
That's what I'm doing.
It sounded really good when it finally went.
Oh, it doesn't.
Yeah, that sounded good.
This is how you spend $300 on a weekend. Mmm, sizzling.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
It's idling with my foot to the floor.
Got oil. I don't think you do. Yes, that is oil.
Yeah, the oil light coming. Oh, the oil light's on, but it still runs. That's my foot to the floor, cunt.